What is up, everyone? Hey, today I want to share a story with you guys. This is not my story. This is one of my art instructors. His name is Mitch, and this is like 2 decades ago, a long time ago, when he was still a student. So one day he was drawing. He's been working hard. He's been drawing for like 3-4 hours straight. And one of his teachers came from behind and tapped on his shoulder, and then he do this. He didn't say a word, he just do this. Okay? So Mitch followed the teacher and they walked like 10-15 steps away from his drawing. And then the teacher smiled at Mitch like this. And then he walks away. So Mitch was like, what the hell was that? What's he trying to say? What's he trying to tell me? He was standing there looking at the back of the teacher and completely clueless. But as soon as he turns around and saw his own drawing, all of a sudden he figured it out. Because from that distance, he noticed there are so many mistakes in his drawings that he did not notice during that 3-4 hours that he's been working on up close. So that day he learned a valuable lesson is when you draw, from time to time you need to get up, stand back and take a good look at your drawing and make sure nothing looks wrong, nothing looks funny, nothing looks weird. If there's something that doesn't look right, you gotta go back and fix it. So that was the story. I think it was very interesting, so that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. Now before I end this video, I do want to say this again. I'm gonna be really busy till the end of May, so I probably don't have time to do streams of my drawings during this few months. So that's why I'm just uploading this kind of videos every week. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.